Welcome, Southside students. This is Intro to Spanish, and today we're going to be studying verbos and AR, or AR verbs. Now, all regular AR verbs will have the same endings when you conjugate, and conjugate sounds fancy. It just means matching the verb to the subject or to the pronoun. Now, these are the steps for conjugating verbs, AR verbs. So let's take a look at AR verbs to find out what they are first. Here's some examples. So, AR verbs, you have a variety. These ones, hablar, escuchar, terminar, preguntar, viajar, and enviar, all end with AR. You see the meanings of each. We are going to learn how to conjugate these. We'll start with hablar. And here's some others. Estudiar, pintar, llorar, visitar, completar, and comprar. Look at estudiar at the top. You're going to see a gentleman who's using that verb who will appear on the right side of your screen. Let's take a look. There he is. He is doing estudiar. He's studying a diamond. So here are the steps to conjugate an AR verb. First, you're going to take off the AR ending from the infinitive. The infinitive is like the AR word. Hablar. It's the whole word. We're going to take AR off, and you'll have the verb stem. Habla. Because ar disappeared. Next, you will add one of the verb endings, as you're going to see below shortly. Here they come. And be sure that it agrees with the proper pronoun. So for yo, that pronoun, you need an exact ending of o. Hablo. See how it works? The stem is hable. Stick that in the brackets and stick an O on the end. Hablo. For tú, you to a friend, you add AS. So hablas. See? For él, ella, usted, you just add an A. For nosotros or nosotras, you add amos. For vosotros or vosotras, you to a group in Spain, add AIS. And finally, for ellos, ellas, ustedes, add AN. So these are the endings for most AR verbs. They all conjugate the same. That means making the endings match the pronoun. Now this gentleman is showing us our next one, hablar. So we'll be seeing how to conjugate hablar right here, which means to speak. So there's the verb stem. After I lop off the AR, I have HABL or habl, and you stick each ending to match. Here's the endings. So for yo, notice it's the stem habl with an O at the end. That's on the left there. And the new word is hablo. Okay? Yo hablo. For tú, we're going to add AS, so it's hablas. You see that? Tú hablas. All of these are to speak. Él, ella, usted. I'm going to add the A. Habla. Él habla. Ella habla. Usted habla. For we, nosotros, I'm going to add AMOS. Hablamos. Nosotros or nosotras hablamos. For you in Spain to a group, I'm going to add AIS, you see, and it's habláis. Vosotros habláis. And finally, ellos, ellas, ustedes, you add AN for hablan. They speak. Here's a new verb, nadar, another AR verb. It means to swim. And there's, after I take off the AR, I have nad. So I'll be adding the endings to that, but you're going to add them, notice. So what is the ending for yo? You should have said nadó. Try to do these in your mind. We're on tú. What is the ending? Nadas. Él, ella, usted, he, she, or you to an adult. What is the ending? And what is the new conjugated verb? It should be nada. Now for nosotros or nosotras, we, or it's going to be nosotros, nadamos. And vosotros or vosotras, what should it be? It should be nadáis. Finally, ellos, ellas, ustedes, what should it be? It should be nadan. So I hope you were thinking these in your mind. That's all there really is to most regular verb conjugations, like these AR verbs. Let's try a new one. Cantar, to sing. Take off the AR, you get cant. And here we go. Yo, you finish. You should have said yo canto. Tú, you finish. You should have said tú cantas. Él, ella, usted, you finish. You should have said él canta, or ella canta, or usted canta. Now we're on nosotros, you finish. It should be nosotros cantamos. Vosotros, you finish. Should be vosotros cantáis. And finally, ellos, ellas, ustedes, you finish. It should be cantan. I thank you for watching this video. You may begin the worksheet, and after that, do a little typing. God bless.